maganda po. Galing po kayo po. Package po. Si Sabrina po. Opo.
Kasi hindi pa po bayad po yan.
Meron po hindi pa bayad siya. 4,600.
Ay, Robert, kakausap eh. Hindi ako kakausap.
Gusto niyo ma'am, i-check niyo po muna. Ito tayo ma'am. Medyo mainit ma'am na. Buksan mo na lang.
She's so beautiful, and I tell her every day. Yeah, I know. When I compliment her, she won't believe me. And it's so sad that baby she don't see
Ang kami po pala ma'am sa My Car Surprise by Team Tampugaw at meron pong special someone sa buhay nyo ang kumontak sa amin para ibigay ang kanyang surprise gift. First anniversary. Yan. Ma'am, dahil po dyan ma'am, may pinapaabot si Sir Noma sa iyo. Fresh flower bouquet. Meron din po siyang pinapaabot ng hand balloon na may nakalagay, Happy Anniversary. Siyempre ma'am, hindi po mawawala yung stock price para kaya ka pinupo sa gabi. Sa cake natin po meron po kung pinapaabot si Sir Noah sa iyo ng cake. May nakalagay, Happy First Anniversary. Ma'am, anong masasabi niyo ma'am sa nagpadala ma'am? Ito po, sabi niyo po ma'am.
And I tell her every day.
I don't know what to say. I didn't expect. I really didn't expect. Actually, I thought we were planning to go out. I didn't expect anything. Because we've been talking earlier. And then, I didn't expect there is something like this. I'm really surprised. Thank you so much.
Siguro sa sinabi ni Ma'am Sabrina, kinikilig ngayon si Sir Noah. Gaya ng pagkakilig ngayon ni Ma'am Sabrina sa ginawa ni Sir Noah. Ma'am, dahil po dyan ma'am, meron pa pong pinapaabot si Sir Noah sa iyo na greetings card. Ma'am, okay lang ba kung basahin ko na? Sabrina, you and I have been together for a year already. And it doesn't feel like it all. Time goes by so fast with you, beautiful. God truly talks His time quitting you. A kind, sweet, caring, and way too beautiful of a woman. A true masterpiece. My love continues to grow for everything day, and I will be completely lost without you. Thank you for being so patient and understand with me. And I know we can make and shoot anything that life throws as a become, at us because it is something we both truly want. I love you, my entire heart. Happy 1-year anniversary. Yan po. Ano po masabi niyo ulit sa nagbigay po nito, ma'am? Sa message niyo.
Thank you so much, my Noah. Happy first anniversary. I really didn't expect in the music. I know you know that I really like that song. Thank you so much. I really didn't expect. Happy first anniversary, Mark. Years to come. Thank you so much. I love you.
hindi na mabilang yung kilig ni Sir Noah sa sinasabi ngayon ni Sabrina sa kanya. Siyempre ma'am, kailangan din po natin mahingian ng mensahe si Ma'am Telma sa anniversary niyo ngayon. Ay, si Mami, dito po kay Mami. Mami. Si Ma'am Telma muna, kambal niyo ba? Sige pa, kambal. Ito yung mga sabi niyo sa kanila. Na nagpamahalan. Ayan.
Well, brother, our plan worked out, and I always told you guys that I'm so happy for the both of you, and I wish nothing but the best for them. And yeah, I hope everything works out, and I'm so grateful that my sister also is loved by someone like you. Yeah. Thank you so much, brother.
Mami! Si Mami Pascal muna siya. Siguro sasabihin na lang ni Mami ang mensahe niya pag sa wedding nila. Noah and Sabrina. Siyempre po, kami po sa My Car Surprise, binabati namin kayo ng happy anniversary. Wala kaming ibang wish, kundi sa inyong dalawa magtagal kayo, chill for together. Yan po. Ma'am, okay lang ba ma'am kung picturean ka namin?